Good morning everyone. Myself Srijan Vashistha, first year mechanical engineering student in NIT Hamirpur. My roll number is 23BME 105 and today I am giving the presentation on SWOT analysis of the Maruti Suzuki car company. So first of all I will give some brief introduction about the Maruti Suzuki car company. The Maruti Suzuki Indian Limited is the Indian subsidiary of Japan automaker Suzuki Motor Corporation. As of September 2023, the company has a leading market share of 42% in the Indian passenger car market. The company is known for making low-maintenance car for the Indian market. SWOT consists of strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. So first of all, I will tell you about the strength of the company. The strength of the company is consist of brand value, market share, number of sales, affordability, strong advertising and reliable suppliers. Brand value. Maruti Suzuki has a high brand recognition and a large consumer base, also earn a good reputation for selling second-hand vehicles of a good quality through its true value chain. Market share. Maruti Suzuki has a large market share with 45%, which is large if we compare to its competitor, and this is one of the biggest strengths of the Maruti Suzuki. Number of sales. Maruti Suzuki registered the highest number of domestic sales in the previous financial year with 9,66,400 units. This has recently surpassed the national sales mark of 10 million. Affordability. Maruti Suzuki is a brand that is known for its fuel-efficient engine and durable parts, making it a great choice if you want to save money on fuel and maintenance cost. It's manufactures affordable cars in India. Strong advertising and reliable supplies. Effective approach of advertising, good product range, and large dealer network to attract people. It has a large base of reliable supplier of raw material, through enabling the company to overcome any supply chain bottlenecking. Now I will tell you about the weakness of the car company. So weakness consists of product quality, late in EV segment, car recalls, perception of low values. Product quality. Maruti Suzuki low-cost vehicle strategy has damaged overall product quality, resulting in a decrease in their image. It has attracted criticism for quality concern since the company's best-selling cars like Swift, Ignis, and Espresso all obtain a 1-star rating in G/NCAP crash test. To maintain its position as an industry leader, it must strike a balance between cost-cutting and quality control. Late in EV segment. Maruti Suzuki's drawback is that late entry into electric vehicle market. As Tata Motors, MG Hector, and Hyundai have established themselves as a dominant contractor, Maruti Suzuki expected to release its first electric car in 2025. Tata Motors already commanding a stunning 72.79% of market share in EV segment in January 2023. Car recalls. Car recalls can have a sustainable influence on a company reputation as well as bottom line. For instance, in 2023, Maruti Suzuki recalls around 28,000 units owing to fault in their airbags and rear seats. This not only harmed the company sales but also developed customer distrust. Recalling can be costly and time consuming, and they can also result in legal challenge. Of low value. Despite being the market leader, Maruti Suzuki is sometimes seen as a mass market brand with no premium appeal. This view may hinder the company's premium sector growth potential and its ability to compete with other premium brands. Now, I will tell you about the opportunities the company has. Global presence, collaboration, promoting CNG vehicles, and growing purchasing power is the factor of opportunities. Global presence. Maruti Suzuki's global presence providing an opportunity to expand its market share beyond India. In financial year 2022, the company achieved highest ever export sales of 2 lakh units with export to the region growth by 200%. They have exported to hundreds countries in financial years 2022 and having an opportunity to establish itself as a leading player in the global automobile industry. Collaboration. Maruti Suzuki can jointly work with big car manufacturers to bring innovations to market by improving relations. Just like recently, Maruti Suzuki is working with Toyota on a project to launch small electric SUVs in market, promoting CNG vehicles, CNG fuel vehicles, resulting in low carbon emission vehicles with low operating cost. This is a win-win situation for the customer, the environment, and the government, as well as for the company. The government's increasing focus on the expanding CNG distribution infrastructure across the country in increasing demand of CNG vehicles. In financial year 2022, CNG vehicles contribute 17.2% of total domestic sales in the share of Maruti Suzuki, growing purchasing power. Maruti Suzuki has an opportunity to capitalize on the growing purchasing power of consumer in India, which is expected to reach the US $5 trillion by 2027. This is due to rising income and the government's focus on improving infrastructure, making it easier for people to own and operate a car. Now I will tell you about the threats that company had. Controversies, intense competition, fall in market share, cost and expenses, and younger generations. Controversies. Maruti Suzuki is facing certain controversies such as its car failing accident test and safety benchmark, which is one of the most important aspects customer looking into before purchasing a car. Intense competition. China intends to join the Indian car market, which can create immense competition. Also, Maruti Suzuki has other competition for global automobile brands. Fall in market share. Maruti Suzuki has experienced a great fall in its market share because of the higher increase in market share of other brands such as Ford and Volkswagen. Also, Maruti Suzuki registered a sale drop in January 2022. Cost and expenses. Higher fuel cost and economic recession has caused decreasing purchases by customers. Younger generation. Maruti Suzuki is facing a challenge from the younger generation who perceive fuel efficiency as well as uncool attribute and comprehensive on status. This has led to a decline in sales of small and fuel-efficient cars, which Maruti Suzuki specialized in. To address this, the company needs to create a new brand image that appeals with the younger generations. Thank you.